Hi everyone! Today I am flipping through Whimsical Darlings, the Halloween edition. Now this is the latest coloring book from Janna P. She was sweet enough to send this over to me, so I wanted to do a flip through. She just sent it to be nice, but I was just so touched. I wanted to show it to you guys, and it's really, really cute. So you can get this on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below to that, but you can also get the Etsy PDF version from her Etsy store, so I'll link to that as well if you prefer to print it, because it is Amazon paper. So the Darlings collection, first of all, let's talk about that. This belongs 2 pages, so cute. They're a lot simpler images, but they're so adorable. Look at that. And I actually really like to use markers with these because the liner is a little thicker. You have more space to play around with. This one has boys and girls too. Really cute images. And so her Darling collection, which is all on Amazon. I really like that she has the girl in the wheelchair. I like that one. They're like simpler images, so they're not as detailed as her other ones, but still fun. Like, look at that. That's perfect for fall. It doesn't even have to be just Halloween. Oh, that's cute too. This one is so adorable. It's probably going to be one of the first I color because it's just, oh my gosh. Oh, that one too, though. How cute is that? Let me know if you'd like to do any color alongs or anything. Like I said, I like to use markers with these, but sometimes I'll use pencils. It's just at such a wide space. It's a lot more fun to use markers. Oh, that one is so cute too. They're simple, but you could make them as complex as you want because you have so much open space. Yeah, you can go and turn this into a lot more elaborate of an image. I've seen people do it on Instagram. They'll have something all basic like this, and it doesn't even look like that anymore. Oh, that's so cute. And dragon. Vampire boy. And all of these will have names in the back, so I'll show you that. Oh, little vampire girl. You can see her little itty bitty fangs. How cute is she? Oh, that one's adorable too. Oh. Just gotta break the spine a wee bit. Ew, that one's cute. I think she's scooping out the pumpkin innards, but I can't tell. All of these are just adorable. I love her artwork, love her style. Very talented artist. Okay, yeah, and then in the back of all of her books, you have the names. So as you can see, little mini pictures, but it's nice because you could also write down your color palette you used or even test some colors on them before you color on the actual image. So, and see all the way there, and then you get two copies, so that's why I say you can use them as your test copy. And then on the back, you just have a preview of the 25 images. So yeah, that is the Whimsical Darlings Halloween. That's the brand new book released by Janna P. Thanks for hanging out with me and checking it out, and a special thank you to Janna for sending this to me. It was very sweet of you. And until next time, everyone, take care. Bye now.